What's up? Nah,
you loving me, ooh, I'll let you ride, yeah. At first you curve me, I'll let you slide, yeah. Your hips so curvy, you let me slide in.
Man, that meat tonight, you know what I mean? Bullshit. Y'all party tonight. Sheet off She Rich reality show.
You said your ex had you depressed, and I'm just glad that's over. So now you rockin' with a real one. And when I'm in it, you mention on the bell, young. And when I hit it, that make you make me still kill.
Get out of his motherfucking way. Man, shit crazy out here in the hood, man. Shit contagious. I gotta get up out of here, man. This is bullshit, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. She Rich reality show on YouTube, man. We shutting shit down tonight. You know what I'm saying? He on his up. You can turn this shit on, man. That's all, man. Just holler at the She Rich reality show. Just checking in, y'all. Between time in the meantime, nah, holla.